Hey, what's up, folks? How's it going? So, yesterday I shared this task. I hope all of you have done it. I shared this task in the WhatsApp group. So, yesterday we discussed about addition, subtraction, multiplication, and remainder. And the task was calculate simple interest using the formula simple interest equal to principal into rate into time divided by 100. So, it's pretty straightforward. I'm not giving the solution. You just need to reuse this code. Enter the first number, enter principal, enter rate, enter time. So you get three variables. Instead of ABC, you can use principal, rate, time as a variable name. Give some meaningful variable name as we discussed yesterday. And then use this formula here. We have used total A plus B. Here, instead of that, you can use SI equal to principal star. Multiplication is a star. Principal star, rate star, time divided by 100. And then print that value. So that's it. And second concept we discussed about strings. So there are different string functions are there: upper, lower, strip, split, replace, length. And a problem given was count how many words are in a sentence. How many words are in a sentence, and which two string methods will you be using? Uh, refer. You have to refer the above section. So in the above section, the strip and split break into words. So we are going to use split and length. Length will be counting. So it can be used for count of characters, count of words. We can use length. Basically, it will be length of list. List length we are going to count. Okay. Now let's go to the compiler, online compiler. So you don't need to register. You can directly go to this Python compiler and let's write the program sentence equal to input. Enter the sentence. Okay. Once you enter the sentence, break them into array of words or basically list, you create a list. So sentence dot split, it will break them into words. So there will be in the list array, enter the means whatever sentence you're using, that will be words will be separated out and put into a list. And then let's print that, see what is happening. Okay. And after printing, we this is a basically list. It's returning a list of words. And we are printing the list of words. And we need to print the length of the list, basically nothing but the length of number of words. Number of words equal to comma len words. Len of list. Length of the list. Okay. Now execute. Enter your input. Good morning. Good afternoon, India. Good afternoon, India. Submit. And now I will now execution pointer is here. We'll go to the next slide. So you can see that. We'll go to the next slide. Yes. So it's printed list. This is a list. Good afternoon, India. So good afternoon, India. I entered that sentence, and now it has broken into like separated out the words and put it into a list. Then go to the last line, and it's printing number of words equal to 3, which is nothing but the size of the list, length of the list. Length of the list is 3. 3 elements are there in the list. So first element index is 0. At the 0th position, we have good. First position, afternoon. Second position, India. So this array always starts with a 0. Generally, like we normal counting, we start with 1, 2, 3. But in the array or list, it always starts with 0, 0, 1, 2. Okay. Now let's go to today's problem, today's concepts. Today we are going to discuss about if else. So decision making in programs. Here what we are doing, we are taking a number from user and then dividing it by two. Like we are calculating the remainder. So if we divide by two and remainder is zero, then it's an even number. Like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, all are even number. But if there is some remainder left, one, then it's a odd number. Like 7, 9, 11. They are odd number because they are not divided by two. Means divisible by two. So this is a remainder function. Remainder means after you divide this number by 2, how much is remain? Since it is divisible by 2, then it will be 0 and we will be printing even, otherwise odd. So let's try this out. Mm, Number equal to input, enter number. You should always type it because then only you will develop muscle memory. Don't copy the code. Okay, you should type like this. But for the sake of time, let me copy this. Okay, and here I'm typecasting it to int because this always returns string. But I'm expecting integer, so that's why I'm telling I'm expecting integer. Let's execute. Enter user number. Let's say 20. Submit 20. Go to the last line. So it's even number because it's divisible by 2. After dividing by 2, remainder is 0. Okay. And if you try with some other number 13, you can try it out and you will see that it's printing number is odd because after dividing by 2, there will be remainder 1. So your problem is today's problem you have to solve. Check if number is positive, negative, or 0. So you will ask user for a number and then you tell whether the number is positive, negative, or 0. User can type any number like 0, -2, or +10, anything. And you have to tell that whether it's a positive, negative, or 0. How will you do that? You will compare that number greater than 0, less than 0, equal to 0, equal to 0. Okay. So this is a straightforward problem. Try it out. Now we will go to the for loop concept. So using for, we can repeat action using for. So here we are printing something. And if you want to do it again and again, we can use for. So for I in the range, print I. Let's take this example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's start from 1. Let's do one thing. Print range. What is range? Let's print that first. 1, 6. So this one. So range is nothing but a list. Range is nothing but a list. You can see it's going up and down, right? Okay. So it printed range as it is. So we need to just typecast it to a list. Let's do that. List, range, and then we go to distribution. Next. Yes. So range is when I typecasted to list and printed range 1 to 6 contents 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So starts from 1 and less than 6. So up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 it contents. And then I in range this. So I in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first it will take I value 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, and then print. You can see it's printing 1, then next is 2, 3, 4, 5, and now it's out of range. So that loop ends here. Okay, let's see what is the range function in Python. Range in Python, W3 school Python range function. Syntax is start an integer number specifying at which position to start. Default is 0. If you don't mention, default is 0. Stop required an integer number specifying at which position to stop, not included. It is not included. So there we started from 1. If we start from 0, then we don't need to mention. We can say range 6. So it will start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And state optional an integer number specifying the implementation default is 1. So default is 1. So for example, if I just remove this 1, so here range 6 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 comma 6 means 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 2 comma 6 comma 2 means 2, 4. It can be 6, so it will stop. 2 and 4. Like that. If you don't specify, default is 1. Is you can mention 1, or if you skip also, it will assume that it's a 1. Okay, and so this problem also can solve in the multiplication of a table of a number from 1 to 10. So 1 to 10, you take a number. Let's say you take ask a user for some number. User input maybe inputted some number 7. So you have to write a multiplication table for that. 7 into 1, 7, 7 into 2, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21. Like that you can print. So you can use like this for I in the range of 1 to 11. Print num star I. Okay. So try this out, and tomorrow we'll solve this problem.